Hypnotism for Beginners, written by British, international master hypnotist John Wilson Green, a practicing hypnotist, since 1974, of both comedy stage hypnosis, and clinical hypnotherapy. This book is like a mini-course, written in layman's language to help speed up your hypnotic skills.
A great book to introduce you to hypnotism. I found it to be written in a simple, easily understandable way. It gives insight to the workings of the mind and how to confuse the conscious mind into submission. The author explains things in a very easy to absorb way. I found it a very interesting and helpful book. My interest is in self-hypnotism and self-improvement. This book has given me the information I need to start off on this new journey. I highly recommend this book.
Amaze your friends and family with your newfound hypnotic skills. Learn how and why hypnosis works. By the time you have read this book, you will have learned stage hypnosis, self-hypnosis, and clinical hypnotherapy. Described as a page-turner, this book contains the pages of golden information to fast-track you to becoming a competent hypnotist. Don't let this terrific opportunity pass you by. Go straight to Amazon Books and order Hypnotism for Beginners by John W. Green. Available on Amazon worldwide, or click the link below.